The insert list method in Python inserts a given element into the list at a given index. We have a list A that contains 1, 2, and 3. If we do A dot insert 0, -1, then we've inserted the value -1 at the start of the list at index 0. If we do A dot insert 4, then 4 gets inserted at the end of the list. Finally, if we do A dot insert 2, 1.5, then 1.5 gets inserted at index 2. Everything originally at index 0 through 1 gets pushed to the left, and everything at index 2 to the end of the list gets pushed to the right. Like and subscribe to learn more.